Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make an avatar on Instagram. This is a new feature that Instagram rolled out. It's pretty cool, so let's just dive straight into it. Open up the Instagram app, then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. So then you need to go and tap on the three horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner, and then you want to tap on settings. Once you're on the settings page, tap on account. You can see it right over there. Okay, once you're on the account page, you'll notice an option here that says avatar. That's what you can click on to go ahead and begin creating your avatar. So it says a new way to be you on Instagram, create a personalized avatar. So click on get started, select your skin tone to get started. So for me, you just need to go ahead and see the one that applies best to you. So I'll choose this one right over here, then tap on next. And now you can fully customize your avatar just how you want it. You get various hairstyles. You can choose the face markings and everything like that. So let me just go back to the hairstyles. So I will select this hairstyle right over here. Then you can select your hair color. So just choose whatever you want to choose. So there, now I'm not going to go ahead and do every single step by step, but you would just go through each of these different tabs at the top here and fully customize your avatar. So let me do that real quick. Okay, so once you've gotten to the end of the avatar creator, what you need to do is tap on done at the top right hand corner. It'll ask you, are you sure you want to save the changes? Tap on save changes. Now it says your avatar is being updated. So once that finishes, you can just tap on next at the bottom. And now your avatar is created, and you can use your avatar in various different ways. I believe you can use them in Instagram stories. You can set it as your profile icon, picture, and everything like that. So that is how to create a Instagram avatar. The next video I'm going to upload is how to use the Instagram avatar, so make sure you watch that. And with that being said, if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.